Oh, the storms are rolling in. It's been a mixture of heat and humidity. That means thunderstorms are on the way, but not before we get out to the new scale park and have a look around. Woo-hoo-hoo. I've been hard at work all week here doing up the new stuff. My buddy Steve is come by to give me a hand on the final part. What's up, Steve?
Not too much, just trying out some of the new scale stuff.
Got the Dodge, the Power Wagon's here today.
Power Wagon, yeah.
Everybody's been eager to see what I've been working on back here, and by the way, thank you for your help this week.
Hey, no problem, that's French for, man.
Coming by, giving me a hand in the scale park. Have a look back here, guys. All brand new stuff. We're gonna get in there and get in behind, but the whole thing is going under a revamp right now to make it more challenging, lots of different lines, and here, as our first tester today, Steve's gonna take out the Dodge. Let's see what he can do. So I've raised the starting bed a bit here, getting it a little bit away from the teeter-totter, just to give participants a good chance at lining up their wheels. So you can see a big difference here. First one to get on the teeter-totter, or the seesaw, depending on where you're from.
It's a teeter-totter.
Teeter-totter, you betcha. He's running an Ess Dual Kit. Got a cloud coming over, giving us some darkness, but check it out, I'll back it up. You can see where he's at. Nice job maintaining it. There is a twist on this wood, it has warped. Oh, the twist claims a victim, Steve.
Spot gets me every time.
Yeah. So this here, if you haven't seen it before, is a side hill area. Viewers of the show know this to be one of the regular areas. Really tough for top heavy rigs, plus a steep decline with a huge hole at the top. Like a champ, man, great job. Coming around, coming down. Into the choices, either one. One's an articulation tester that's easy, this one has chopped blocks. This is a Vaterra Ascender, guys. It's far from stock, but still one of my most favorite rigs.
Stock motor in it right now.
Stock motor, right on.
And ESC.
Yeah, I was just thinking the ESC is stock as well. Got some great KRAiT 2.2 bead locks on there from Asia Tees, as well as the RC four-wheel drive Mud Slingers. What a sharp looking truck. Dodge. Big descent, some of those logs attached, some of them not. Quite unpredictable. He's hung up there. This course is made to be difficult. Teach and challenge your skills that you have already. But not so hard that it's overly frustrating. Is this 3-cell power? There we go. There you go. Well done, well done. Very nice, approaching one of the new sections. Down into the pit. He's got a tough climb on the other side there. There you go. Very good. Engine rumbling away. Oh, he's going down. You can see it's been cut out now, so it's way more defined, way more treacherous. This is the rock climb beside. Here is the new swing bridge. Swing bridge up to the platform. Around to the suspension bridge. You can see it's literally suspended from the tree there. Big hole to fall into there, but his massive 2.2s are able to climb on. It's very, very skinny here. Very nice. Coming down to the new rope bridge, super extended. These side shafts are not supported by anything except just sitting there. Down he comes onto the rope. Gonna have to adjust the carburetor. Seems to only like to go for a few seconds. There he goes, trying to line up those tires. A little bit of a shadow effect going on from the clouds. There we go. Oh, he's taking advantage of the logs. Uh-oh! I'd like to say this is Steve's first rope bridge ever. This is where you need to repo, sir. So this is why I like those 2.2 Mud Slingers. They do have that center line in the tread that help follow a rope bridge really well. Nice, he's leaning into it. He's got a good 3-foot drop here if he falls. Very nice. Completely suspended. Look at this. He was worried about the rope ascent. I told him not to worry. Give it some wheel speed. He's got it. Nice hop, dude. This is a round section I've built earlier this week. Could be 2 levels. Oh. Top level looking good. Dropping down into a tilt table. A little bit of extra rope under there, not needed. Nice! It is just a straight drop onto the table. Depending on how heavy your truck is, will tilt back and forth. Nice job lining up with the bridge. Again, another drop down. Oh, missed the approach. He's able to save it. Driving his truck, he's got really bad line on the back here. Oh, and your bumper is totally hooked. He's got this, look at this, like a pro. Oh! Turn into it, there you go. In to rock the cradle, which is only suspended by a rope, 1 rope in the middle. Into the rope, down the hard ramp. Yes, there we go. Is he gonna flip forward? Nice controlled descent. Very good. A lot of square footage on this track now. This is super steep on this side. No wheel speed. Ah. There you go, there you go. Wheel speed's his friend over the cut tractor tire into the pipes. Coming up. The pipes are rusted, giving it quite a bit of traction even though they're round. Look at that. Oh, right at the end he loses a tire, but he can do it. Throttle out, bro, throttle. There you go, there you go. He who hesitates falls far below. Very nice. And then a turn. Into the logs. Oh, nice job. These have all just been freshly packed. I'm looking forward to a rain. Into another set of pipes. Or do you want to take the rocks? This is the beauty of it.
I'll take the rocks.
Lots of axle hangers in here. Beautiful tire flex. Very slippery with dirty tires.
Slippery.
Yeah. Coming down to the old pyramid here. Not a lot of grip on this flat wood. Very weathered. Giant hole at the top. Oh, watch to expel him. He did it. Nice job. Looks like he's in trouble.
Yeah, I don't think we're getting out of that here. That doesn't look good. My slider's caught on that chain.
There you go. There you go. Now turn into it. There you go. Great driving. Well done, Steve. Good job, buddy.
That was a great one.
Okay, so let me ask you. So when you were doing it, is it a hard course?
It's pretty challenging, man, especially with all this new loose dirt and rocks.
How long do you think we were filming for?
I don't know, half an hour?
Your truck performing really well. Congratulations for being the first one to get around the new trail park. Guys, thanks a lot for tuning in to RC Adventures. We'll see you in the next episode and lots more to come on this scale park. Wish you guys were here to run with me. Maybe one day, you never know. Bye.